Hey Monsters, here we go. It is Tuesday, January 4th. I rarely do a second take on one of these. This one, I will admit, is a second take. Lily, are you awake? Do you want to say hi? My daughter is not feeling well, and so that's where I am at today, trying to take care of her. You can still hear I'm a little hoarse myself, but not anything where I felt I had concern. We'll see. I did actually get her. My wife and I got her tested, so we'll see. We'll see how things go. I'm hoping for the best. At any rate, for today, you're doing a crowdsource activity. I was going to do it on Padlet. Which is a digital tool where I like to describe it as kind of everybody shouting at once, but in a controlled environment. And so on a Padlet, everybody can write things down and then kind of they just pop up on the smartboard. You also can do crowdsourcing by like grabbing markers off the marker tray and writing on the whiteboard. Unfortunately, my whiteboard doesn't like to erase, and Padlet limits you to only having three Padlets at a time, and I have 4 classes that need to do this activity. So I've been thinking about it, changing gears a little bit, and there's a Google Doc that you all have access to, one for each class period, and it's got a few specific questions on there on the topic of the American Revolution, which is what we're starting now with Unit 6. So Unit 6 is going to be your red hot new unit. They're on Schoology. Units laid out the same way as they have been in the past. Of course, bell ringers are dropped into the slides. And so today's bell ringer is in the slides. You can find that on your own, or with your guest teacher who's in the room, or our co-teachers who are there. Mr. Garland, Mr. Woods, you guys are great. So you can go ahead and work on that bell ringer first, obviously. Have a great discussion on that. Then jump into the crowdsourcing activity, looking at the questions, the guiding questions for the American Revolution as we start Unit 6. And then, of course, the slide deck. Full deck is out there right now. I should have some orange slides on there, but of course there's not. It's technically the last slide deck that we used last year, and I just haven't made as many updates as I was thinking I might. So I left some stuff not orange just because in what was Unit 5 last year, Miss Kroll and I were doing some different stuff, and I didn't want to lose track of what we had done last year. So kind of take it day by day, try to get some orange updates in there as we go. There is, of course, a new homework menu posted out there. Are you snoring? There's a new homework menu out there as well in the homework folder and linked on in the usual spot that it is. I think it's slide 3 on your slide deck. So all your materials are new and updated, and your materials for today are posted on Schoology. I know I said there would be new seats, and then if you looked at the backboard, you'll see it says that new seats will be put out for you for tomorrow. And so I will get that done. I promise that I will. Hey, you're awake, huh? She's awake. We'll see if she wants to say hi. That is the plan for today. So you're going to be working with your table groups. Can work with your table groups, or you can just kind of work in general. Please make sure. Hey, look at you. Woo. Please make sure to take care of yourself and one another. Stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask. Mouse, all yours. We love you. I love you. I don't feel good. Happy Tuesday.